Hello everyone. Today we learn about countable and uncountable nouns. And countable and uncountable nouns. Look at the examples and underline the correct options below. For example, I would like a cheeseburger. Please. Would you like rice with that? Countable nouns have a singular or plural form. You can count them. Uncountable nouns only have a singular form. You cannot count them. You cannot use a or an before an uncountable noun. And there are two kinds of noun in English. Countable. Things you can count, singular or plural. For instance, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Then uncountables. Things you can't count. They can't be plural. For example, butter, meat, and etc. Some nouns can be countable or uncountable, but the meaning is different. Example, chocolate. And countable and uncountable. Some words can be countable or uncountable with a difference in meaning. Example, iron, cake, chicken. And you can see several pictures which is related to countable and uncountable nouns. First one, bread, biscuits, and second one, vegetables, fruits, and third one, milk, cheese, flour, egg, and etc. Then you can see one exercise which is related to this topic. This exercise, put these words in the correct groups. Use a dictionary to help you. And then we learn about a, and, some, any. Types of sentence. Countable, uncountable. First sentence, we need an apple. An apple is countable. We need some butter. Some butter is uncountable. We need some apples. Some apples are countable. We need some milk. Milk is uncountable. We don't need a tomato. A tomato is countable noun. We don't need any rice. Rice is uncountable. We don't need any tomatoes. Tomatoes are countable. We don't need any sugar. Sugar is uncountable. Do we need a tomato? A tomato is countable. Do we need any rice? Rice, uncountable. Do we need any tomatoes? Tomatoes are countable. Do we need any sugar? Sugar is uncountable. And then use a, an with singular countable nouns. Use some with plural countable nouns and uncountable plus sentences. Use any with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns in our sentences. We can also use some in to ask for an offering. Can I have some coffee? Do you want some biscuits? And how much, how many? First one, use how much with uncountable nouns. For example, how much water do you drink? Possible answers. I drink a lot of water. I drink quite a lot. I don't drink much water. I don't drink any water. And then, how many? Use how many with plural countable nouns. How many students do you have? Possible answers. None, not many. Students, countable nouns. And then you can do exercise, countable and uncountable exercise. First one, A exercise. Complete the sentences with some or any. You should put the some or any in this exercise. And B exercise. Complete the phrases with the correct words from the box. And next exercise, circle the errors and rewrite the sentences correctly. Example, there isn't any milk in the freezer. There isn't any milk in the freezer. Any milks, not any milks. Any milk is right. Any milks is wrong. And then last exercise, choose a and some. The lesson is over. Goodbye, everyone.